Welcome to our latest tutorial on how to log out of the Discord app on your Android device. Follow these simple steps to safely and efficiently log out of your account. Step 1. Open the Discord app on your Android device. You can easily find the app on your home screen or in the app drawer. Step 2. Once the app is open, locate your profile picture at the bottom right corner of the screen. Tap on your profile picture to access your account settings. Step 3. In your account settings, tap on the gear icon to open the user settings. This is where you can customize your Discord experience. Step 4. Scroll down to the bottom of the user settings menu. You will find the option to log out towards the bottom of the page. Step 5. Tap on Log Out. A confirmation prompt will appear, asking if you are sure you want to log out of your account. Step 6. Confirm your decision by tapping Log Out again. You will be automatically logged out of your Discord account. And that's it. You have successfully logged out of the Discord app on your Android device. Remember to always log out of your account when using devices that are not yours to protect your privacy and security. Thank you for watching, and we hope this tutorial was helpful. Stay tuned for more tech tips and tricks.